Welcome back to Just Scribble for a plan with me in my everyday carry. So we are going to set up my everyday carry for the week of January 20th through the 26th. It is cold here in Texas this week, which is not our norm, and so I thought it would be fun to use some of these sort of wintry stickers that I have from Southern Belle Plans, and I'm going to pair that with some like random stickers that I had in my stash, and also these stickers that one of my wonderful customers sent me in some happy mail over the holidays. So we're just going to kind of mesh everything together and set up my spread for the week of the 20th through the 26th. So the first thing that we're going to do is set down some of these bigger stickers. So I think I'm going to put the cute little girl right here, like that. So I'm not going to use the rainbows or the umbrella or like the lightning bolts. I am going to use this cloud, the snowflakes, those snowflakes, and this one, I think. So let's see, how many is that? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think we've got enough to make it work. So what we are going to do is we are going to put down, oops, I tore that sticker, but we will put it back together. A little bit of deco on each of the pages. So I am going to skip to Sunday. I'm going to put this larger cloud. Oh, it's stuck there. This larger cloud down on Sunday right there. We're going to put this larger snowflake on Saturday. Let's go back to Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm just trying to add a little bit of variety. So since we have a cloud here, we'll have a cloud on Wednesday, we have a cloud on Sunday. So on, let's see, Friday, we're going to put this sort of snowy cloud. And I'm going to put it up a little bit higher. And then we're going to put some snowflakes on Thursday. And I think that's all we're going to use on this one. And then we need some snowflakes on Tuesday. And then we have one more snowflake here. So let's see where we want it. I think we're going to put it on Monday, like that. So now we have some deco. And then in here, I do have these stickers from, where are these from? Sticky Monster Co. It's SMCO now. I have these tracker stickers, and I'm trying to decide if I want it to be this one in the script or this one in the single line. I think we're going to go with the script. I just thought they'd be a fun way to mark that this is my tracker. So there's that. In here, I have my reusable sticker books, and I have 2 recycled trash day stickers, but I don't know that I want to use those because they don't really match. So maybe I need to grab some trash stickers. Yeah, let me grab trash day stickers. Hold on. All right, so I have these new stickers from Orange Umbrella Company, and I actually bought because of these stickers. So these are Moxie Life goal stickers, and I'm using these in my A5 setup, which you'll see soon, hopefully, but they are color coordinated to the Moxie Life goal setting, and then they have the words to use in the goal sections of my planner. So in my planner, I have yearly and quarterly goal pages, and so these are to use for the headers in the sections in my planner, or in our main everything planner. And so that's why I ordered. But when I ordered, I got some other stickers. So I got some Instagram stickers, so cute, and some YouTube stickers, super cute, and then I got some trash stickers and recycle stickers. So I got the sort of icon ones, and then I got the word ones. So we're going to use these. So we're going to use trash day word ones. Let's see. Do we want just black, or do we want... I think I want to use this sort of bluish gray color. So we have trash day and recycle day, which I always write down, but it's extra important this week because they moved our day because of the holiday. So trash day will go there, and recycle day will go there. And then on Thursday, we will do the same thing with the little symbols in the same color, because it matches pretty well, I think. So we're going to put recycle day there, and trash day there. And then I pulled out these Randy Dot Plans stickers that I rarely use, and I have schedule stickers on here that I thought would be fun to use on my Monday through Friday. I won't put them on the weekends. So we're going to put schedule. My goal this year is to use more of my stash to de-stash, and to show you guys more things with what I've already got versus buying things to share with you guys. So we can focus some on our budget, just kind of save up a little bit, and also so I can focus on money stuff for the shop instead, so I can bring more products to you. All right, so we have our schedule stickers, and then on each day I need a line for my to-do list. Now I don't count the boxes. I just pick a spot and draw a line wherever it kind of seems right. And this is where I write my to-do list for the day. And then things I have going on go here, and then micro-journaling and or notes go on the rest of the page. I will show you last week so that you guys can see kind of how it looks. Sunday's kind of a busy day. So the week is not over, but this is last week, so you guys can see kind of how my week goes and how busy it is. All right, so we have our lines. Now we need to put in our focus, our priorities. I will fill out my habit tracker later because I need to review the last couple weeks and see kind of what I want to put there. This section here is... All right, so this is where I'm going to put Happy Mail, because I am expecting some packages this week. And then we've got our focus and our priorities. So let me write Happy Mail here. And I'm trying to figure out, I need school over here. So I'm going to write school. And then I'm going to use this Maru. It's number 16. It's called Crocus. think it's kind of similar to the color that I used for, or the color of these stickers. It's close enough. So I'm just going to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is where I put stuff for my kiddos' school. And then my focus this week, what is our focus this week? I'm going to put 3 dots for priorities, and then my focus this week, honestly, is to survive. Just kidding, but not really. Not really kidding. So I think focus should be cleaning. Our house is kind of a disaster, so we will focus on cleaning. I will fill out my happy mail that I'm waiting for later because I need to check my shop app just to see what's expected this week. And then I will fill out my habits later and kiddos' school later, except that I can write no school, MLK, and field trip if it doesn't snow. And then here I have a little checklist. So this is going to be to buy. And there is an extra little cloud over here. So I think we're going to put it up there just because it matches the other clouds. All right, so this is my to buy section. I don't know what I'm doing over here exactly, but I was going to use some of these. Let's see. I'm going to put that there and that there because I need to work on some ring inserts for February. And I don't want to forget. All right, this will most likely be our menu and then like our grocery shopping versus this is like non-grocery to buy stuff. So let's go ahead and use this one and let's see this one, and we'll put groceries there and menu there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, so now I have a place for my menu. My grocery shopping are to buy anything else. This will be for notes, happy mail, habits, my priorities, my focus, school, and events, and then we have our days. So let's fill out some plans. You know what? Let's put a coffee cup here because I have to work and no one else does. But let's get our plan or plans on there. So I do have a 9 a.m. meeting, so I need to be at work by 8:30 at the latest. I normally go in at 8, but since my kiddo doesn't have school, I don't necessarily have to, so I will go in a little bit later, but I don't want to be late for that meeting. Let's see, I have a bunch of meetings this week, but not like a crazy amount of stuff going on as far as appointments. It is a friend's birthday. I should put on here, I'm trying to figure out what I want to use for my kiddos' field trip. I thought about using that or just like a little flag and then writing it, but I also thought about this little binder clip because I think that would be really cute too. But these kind of match better, I think, so I'll save that little whimsical pack and we'll do this. On Thursday, I have 2 important meetings, so I'm gonna put little stickers down with the times so that I don't forget, because I need to prepare for them and also dress a little bit differently for work. So there's that. And then Friday, I have a meeting every morning, and then I have a lunch for work. So let's go ahead and put, if I can get these off, let's go ahead and put times down for those two, since I have them on these sticker sheets. And Friday is our dog's birthday, one of them. So we'll put that down. And I'm going to make a note there. And I think that that's it. We don't really have a lot going on this week. I mean, I have a ton of meetings at work, but those don't really go in here. Not really. Like, I marked some of them down, but generally I don't. No school, MLK, and then our puppy's birthday. Let me double check that that's everything. Nothing there. Nothing that I need to write down there. No doctor's appointments this week. Woohoo! Just a lot of meetings. So I think that's it. It's a pretty simple, basic plan with me since we don't have a whole lot going on. But this is just our overview of the week, overview of my kids' school stuff. I found that it's easier if I keep them separate. Otherwise, this gets too full sometimes, and it's just hard for me to differentiate his stuff from everything else. Our focus for the week, I'll add my priorities later, my to-buy list, which I'll add to as the week goes on, trackers, which I'm going to fill out later, happy mail, which I'm going to add once I double check that, then my note to myself about my rings, inserts that I need to work on. It's for budgeting stuff mostly. Our grocery list, our menu, I guess I could fill that out because I know we're having pork chops, stroganoff, fish and orzo, and chicken. That's all I know so far. And then I'm going to write my schedule over here, actually. I don't have any whiteout, but I'm going to go ahead and white this out and put my schedule for work next to the schedule, just so it's in the same place every day. Right. So menu, and then daily pages I will add to my to-do lists for each day as the week goes on, and probably right before I go to bed on Sunday night for anything that I think of. But that is the setup in my everyday carry for the week of January 20th through the 26th. I think these stickers looked so cute. I love this little girl. I just think this looks super cute. It gives me a little bit of a color reference for highlighting, or if I want to use like a Papermate flare, I can match the colors and do that when I'm micro-journaling if I want. I've got space for my to-dos, for anything that comes up, for our shopping lists, all of the things. But that is my plan with me. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to put them down below, and I will definitely get back with you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to just scribble.